What I want you to do is that I want you to start raising the intensity of whatever it is that you do in every aspect, especially with work. Whether you're a leader, whether you're somebody who's just started here, what you want to do is you want to start turning it up a little bit. Start raising the intensity, because that's what builds the momentum. That's what allows you to retain the momentum. Don't just be like, oh, because of the coronavirus, I can operate at 75% of my capacity. No. Right now, if there is the coronavirus, because of the fact that you can focus on one thing, because of the fact that there's not as many distractions, because of the fact that there's a lot of people that are fucking home and they're not going to work, so you can catch them at home, the same people you weren't able to catch last year at all under any circumstances, for all of those reasons combined, you should operate at literally 200% of your capacity. Not less. You have to operate at more of a capacity right now, because 6 months, a year from now, you're gonna come out literally 5 years ahead of everybody else who's been kind of like chilling for the past 6 months. Because at the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you this, and whether you believe it or not, this is true.